Hello everyone, how are you today? Okay, I'm so happy too. Let's see today the difference between the a and an. So, when do we use a and when do we use and? Oof, let's have a look. Okay, first of all, a or and means one object, one person, one thing. Okay, so a or an is the same thing as number one thing. Okay, so what do you think? Can we use a or an in the singular form? And can we use a or and in the plural form? Of course not. In the plural form we cannot use a or an because we say that a or an is just for one. One is singular. Remember? One singular. More than one plural. So a or and, let's see. A book, a table, an egg, an apple, singular. Yes, we use a or an for singular. Yes, but can we use a or an for plural, like a books, a tables, an eggs, an apples? No way. We can't not use a or an for plural forms. Remember, no plural, yes singular. Okay, so if we have a singular noun, we have to see the first letter, how it begins. If the first letter of the word starts with vowel. Remember the vowels, everybody? Yes? Okay, tell me the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Excellent. Oh, I see you know your vowels. Excellent. Okay, so if the word starts with vowel, we use an. An. Is it clear? Vowels and. But if the word starts with consonants, oh, do you remember your consonants? Oof, this is tricky. Let me see. Do you know your consonants? Tell me. Yes. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Excellent. Oh my God, yes, you know your consonants. Well, if the word starts with consonant, we use A, not an. An for vowels, A for consonants. An for vowels, A for consonants. Okay, let's have a look. For example, let's have a look when we have two vowels together, because we say A apple. No, A apple is like they stick together. Oh, no. What do we do to separate these two vowels? We put an N. Yes, we use the N, A-N. So, with the end, we separate the vowels and we don't say A apple. No, we say N apple. N apple. The same thing with the next vowel, E. Ear starts with E. Okay, so do we say ear? No. They stick together, so we need to separate them. So, to separate A and E, we add the N, and we have and ear, Okay? It's not a ear. No. An ear is more clear. What happens with the I? The same thing. Is another vowel. Igloo. Igloo. Another vowel. I. We have to separate them because igloo. Oh no. It sounds horrible. So we add the N. Oh, here it is, the N. And then we separate the two vowels. The same thing with the O, olive, a olive, now an olive. And the same thing with U, uncle, a uncle, a uncle. No. Separate the vowels with N. So it is more clear. An ankle, an olive, an igloo, an ear, an apple. A, E, I, O, U. The four vowels with N. Okay? Not just A. We add the N. Okay, so what happens when we have consonants? As we say, with consonants, always A. A book, a table, a car, a flower. There is a book, there is a table, there is a car, I can see a flower. We don't say and book, and table, and car, and flower. No. It sounds horrible. Okay. Consonants, A, not N. And so finally, to remember when to use A or N, remember, first of all, A or N only for singular, no plural, singular. And then you have to look. If the word starts with vowel, like apple or igloo or olive, you need to use an. But if the word starts with consonants like book or table, you need to use A, only A. Okay, so hopefully this is very clear for you. See you, bye bye.